All right, what's good, YouTube? John the Barber. I'm doing a quick little video on how to install the ceramic blades. So y'all can see right here. I got these blades at Amazon, and I also got. I'm gonna do a little unboxing too. I also got these gold combs. They're metal combs. Check them out. As y'all can see right here. And they're pretty dope. Good quality. Yeah, they were cheap. They were cheap too. They were like 12 bucks, 15 bucks for both. So yeah. And I also got this razor thing. I forgot what's it called. Racers, whatever. But yeah, so y'all can see Supreme, little hype piece going on right here. It's not legit. It's just for the hype or whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna link everything down below in case if y'all wanna like copy it for yourselves. But yeah, let me put this to the side and let's get onto the blade. Oh, and with these, dude, apparently it makes it 5 times sharper. They last 5 times longer and they stay 5 times cooler. There we go. Let's get right into it. Oh, there we go. I also got my brush in here. Might as well clean them. I mean, I just cleaned them a few days ago. They're not that dirty, but just to make sure. There we go. Got the ceramic blade right here. Whenever y'all are gonna install like new blades, make sure the, oh damn, okay, hold on, yeah, move. As I was saying, make sure the teeth are straight because you don't want for it to cut or pull hair or whatever. That's a big no-no. But yeah. Make sure the T's are straight. Right there. There we go. Quick little ceramic blade. Damn, I feel like the blade, the ceramic blade, it makes it sound like a little bit louder. I don't know why. I guess that's how it is. I mean, it's not that bad, but yeah. Let's change the other blade right here. Oh, for this blade, I got the regular blade. I tried searching for the ceramic blade in gold, but I just couldn't find it, so I just got the regular blade because I don't want to have this one silver and then this one like gold. I want for everything to match. That's why I also got the gold combs right here, so y'all can see. But yeah, let's get. There we go. Kind of struggling a little bit. Here we go, the gold blade. Oh. What I like about this blade, This blade came with the gold screws too, right here, as y'all can see. And the other one, it didn't came with the gold screws. I'll show y'all right now so y'all can see. Hold on. Damn. Here we go. This is what I was talking about. This one, it came with the regular screws. They're not gold like these. I mean, it would have been dope if these came gold too, so it could match. I mean, it still looks cool. I mean, fuck it, whatever. But yeah. Okay. Yep, that's about it. Oh, I also got the clipper oil. Since they're new, I'm gonna install them. I mean, since I just installed them, I'm gonna put some oil on it. My bad. It's my first video. I'm joking. But yeah, I don't know if you're supposed to put oil on these, on the ceramic blade. I don't know if it makes a difference. But yeah, I'm still put some. Fuck it. There we go. Nice and clean. Yeah. Gold blade on it. Gold combs. Everything, yeah. So yeah, that's about it. This is my first video. So y'all make sure to like, comment, or do all that stuff. I don't know. But if y'all want more videos, y'all let me know. I mean, I could do, I was thinking of buying a new clipper, and I'm probably gonna do a review on it. But yeah, I mean, like, comment, subscribe, all that. Yeah, peace.